Okay, today we'll be making the first video chronographing 308 and 7.62 by 51. I got 12 different rounds to test today, so let's take a quick look at them. First we got the Silver Bear 140 grain, and also the Brown Bear 145 grain. Got Remington 308 150 grain, and Remington 308 180 grain, Federal 308 180 grain, Winchester 308 150 grain, American Eagle 7.62 by 51 168 grain, Winchester 7.62 147 grain, Underwood 150 grain 308, also from Underwood 308 165 grain, Hornady 308 150 grain, and last is the Hornady 308 178 grain. Okay, the test firearm that we'll be using for chronographing is the Saiga 308. It's got a 20-inch barrel, and all the internal parts are factory. Okay, we'll be doing 3 rounds each. Okay, next is the Brown Bear.
And what's next?
Okay, next is the Remington 150 grain. Okay, next is the Remington 180 grain. Okay, next is the Federal 180 grain. Winchester 150 grain.
The box thing.
Next is the American Eagle 7.62 168 grain. Okay, next is the Winchester 7.62, 147 grain. Underwood 150 grain. Underwood 165 grain. Hornady 150 grain.
Both of them were the same.
Okay, last one today is the Hornady 178 grain.